Hello, this is question 14 on your June 2023 paper 1 from OCR MEI. You have the equation of this curve and you have to find the equation of the tangent to the curve at this point. So to find the equation of the curve, we are going to use this, which means we need the gradient and 1 point. Yeah, this is the gradient and these are the coordinates of 1 point. We need to find the coordinates. We need to find the tangent when x is 4, so we are going to find the y when x is 4 and the gradient when x is 4. To find the gradient, we are going to derivate y. And to derivate y, I'm going to write the x's to the power of something. Yeah, it's easier. So root x is x to the power of a half. 1 over x is x to the power of minus 1. So I'm going to rewrite my question because it's easier to derivate. When I derivate this function, the 1/2 goes multiplying the 16, which is 8, and x to the power of 1 less. 1/2 minus 1 is minus 1/2. And then this one is minus 1 times 8, minus 8, and x to the power of 1 less. So this is my derivative. In general, is my gradient at any point. When x is 4, so now I'm going to find when x is 4, if I substitute here, I have the gradient is 8 times, this is 1 over root x. So I can write 1 over root 4. Sorry, 1, no, 4. 8. 8. Yeah, so I have 8, and this one can go to the denominator just because it's easier. Or you can use the calculator. Minus 8, and then the x goes squared and in the denominator, so 16. So I have 8 divided by 2, which is 4, minus 1/2, which is 7/2. Yeah, so this is the gradient at that point. And then the y coordinate, substituting the x by 4 here, I have 16 root 4 plus 8 divided by 4, which is 32 plus 2, which is 34. Yeah, so my point is the 434. So the point where I'm finding the tangent is the 434, and this is the gradient. So I'm going back here and substitute. Y minus the y of the point is the gradient, x minus the x of the point. And that's it. Always check when you have to write the equation of a line, if you have to write in a particular way. It's not the case. Don't complicate your life and don't waste time. Yeah, if they don't ask you to write in any particular way, this is perfect. You see the mark scheme and they say we can accept all form of the equation of the line. Yeah, that's it.